Hi, I'm Mark Garner, your local estate agent, and today you join me at this 3-bed detached property. Now, we're in Great Barr. This is on the border with Walsall, and we're very close to junction 7 of the M6, so it's got great transport links, good amenities nearby, great schools, and this property has recently been renovated. So they've put an extension on the back and to the side, so they've used a little bit of space off the garage. We have still got some garage space there as well, but they've created this amazing kitchen with centre island. You've got double oven, hob, you've got built-in fridge freezer, built-in washing machine and built-in dishwasher. Upstairs, it's had a complete new bathroom in, done very nicely, nice white suite, and we've got the shower over the bath. It's got an amazing garden space on the back, plenty of potential with this property. It could even be extended even further should you want to. So let's get you inside, let you have a look around, follow me. Right guys, there you have it. I hope you agree this one's been done to a really good standard, and there is further potential to extend this one should you want to. There's a couple of properties on the street which have had substantial extensions done to them, so I would recommend speaking to the local planning department should you want to increase the living area of this one. But if you are interested and you'd like to arrange a viewing on this, then please reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on, or you can contact me on 077 89 647 226. Well, that's it for now guys. I'll see you on the next video.